In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder pages in Confluence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your space settings to tidy up your page tree and keep your content organized. Start by opening Confluence and signing in if prompted. From the home view, look to the left navigation where you'll find spaces. Spaces are like folders for teams or projects, and every page you want to reorder lives inside one of these. Click Spaces to see the list available to you, then choose the space where you want to make changes. If you manage multiple spaces, take a second to confirm you're in the correct one to avoid rearranging the wrong content. Once you're inside the space, locate the three-dot menu next to the space name or in the space sidebar. This is the More Actions menu for the space. Click that and select Space Settings. If you don't see Space Settings, it likely means you don't have Space Admin permissions. In that case, ask a Space Admin to grant you access or to perform the reordering. Inside Space Settings, look for the section labeled Content. This is where you can manage the structure and organization of the pages within the space. Click Content to open the tools related to your pages, then find and select Reorder. This takes you to a dedicated view of the page tree for the space. In the Reorder view, you'll see the hierarchical list of pages. Parent pages can be expanded to reveal their children, which makes it easy to understand how content is grouped. Here, you can drag and drop pages to change their order within the same level, or move a page under a different parent to change its position in the hierarchy. As you move items, pay attention to the visual indicators that show whether you're placing a page at the top level or nesting it beneath another page. A few tips while you're reorganizing. Keep related content together to make navigation intuitive for your team. If your space is large, expand only the sections you need to reduce clutter. Be mindful that moving a page may affect its breadcrumb path. Confluence typically handles redirects, but it's still best to make deliberate, minimal changes and confirm links after major moves. Changes here usually save automatically, but give the page tree a quick refresh to verify everything is where you expect it. That's it. Go to Confluence, open Spaces, pick your space, use the three dots to get to Space Settings, open Content, and click Reorder. With this workflow, you'll keep your pages clean, logical, and easy to find.